Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called PPAP, Part Production Part Approval Process. Handbook is an industry standard that outlines the process to determine engineering, design, and product specification are met by the supplier's manufacturing processes. So it's an industry standard. Through PPAP, suppliers and customers agree upon the requirement needed to obtain approval of the supplier manufactured parts. Applicable to all parts and commodities, PPAP principles help reduce delays and non-conformance during part approval by providing a consistent approval process. What specific challenges does this address? It provides understanding of information required to obtain part approval and standardize the part approval process. How to obtain approval of parts or processes after part design changes or process changes. It ensures part submissions are submitted with proper information and enough data to sustain product conformance. It provides a record of part conformance at launch, allows for measurement of drift from origin, details pertinent to design records to ensure traceability of part design status at origin. It controls product and process change process, providing an approval outlet for all changes to ensure conformance to the next level assembly or process. So what are the benefits of PPAP? Consistent part approval process, assurance part conform to customer requirement, evidence of process stability. It also controls product and process change process, providing an approval outlet for all the changes to ensure conformance to the next level assembly or process. Thanks for watching. Bye.